Welcome to another episode of Travel Good TV, TGTV. And today we just checked into the Hampton Inn and Suites in Beckley, West Virginia. This is room number 323 on the third floor. And let me give you guys a quick room tour. I've stayed at loads of Hampton Inns before, all over North America, actually in other countries as well. So generally, Hampton Inn is always a solid experience, and it appears that it's going to be the same thing here as well. Okay, so bathroom, 2 beds. The check-in was smooth, good service, efficient. They had a basket full of cookies. They had bananas, apples, and oranges as well, and a coffee station, so definitely good service. And yeah, the room looks good. It's, I would say, a little bit dated, but not too crazy. The window is a bit smaller, and our view is parking lot / ravine views or whatever. Oh, here's a little bit of a flaw. That's where the baseboards is supposed to go. And then let's see what we got in here. Fridge and beautiful, and a microwave. Nice and clean. Yeah, it's a good room. It's clean, it smells good, it's not too cold. The AC is not blasting like crazy. And what we got in here? Yeah, solid. Okay. So that's pretty much it for the tour. Have you guys stayed here before? Please let me know in the comment section if you have, and what your experience has been at other Hampton hotels. I would love to know. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.